Hey guys, Matt Faircloth here. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys how to find and unlock the millions of dollars that's ready to invest in your business right now. Assuming you're watching this if you're a real estate investor ready to grow your business, but this concept does not have to directly apply to real estate investing. This could apply to anything that you want to put a lot of money into. It could be any venture that you have in business that you need to raise other people's capital for. This concept can work. Where the best place to go to get money would be. The easiest place to go to get money, guys, and this might get a little squeamy, a little uncomfortable, whatever, but it's okay. Your personal network. The cell phone you're likely holding in your hand right now watching this video or in your pocket has millions of dollars already. You already know these people. It could be friends of yours on Facebook, could be friends of yours on Instagram, but these are probably people that would take your phone call if you called them because they already know you. Could be family, could be immediate relatives, could be friends, people you went to high school with. Those folks are likely going to easily invest with you, and the reason for that is because they already trust you. It has nothing to do with your business ventures. They already know who you are and already have a lot of belief systems in you if you've got a good network of people around you. And if you don't, there are at least some people in your network that have a good solid feeling for you and would back you with whatever they've got going on. That's the first place to start. I know a lot of you guys are uncomfortable going to your personal network. Well, can I just go to a website, or I want to go to my own personal network? Can I just do online advertising? You can do all that, but that's going to be harder to do. Yeah, I know. It's one conversation you're having with somebody you went to high school with, and then you transition it to, hey, you know, I'm involved in this real estate venture. It is a weird transition. I get it. But you also might want to understand something. People need other alternatives on places to invest their cash and achieve their wealth goals, because right now, financial planners and Wall Street are the one and only places those folks know where to go. They need other alternatives, and you as a real estate investor or business owner and someone that needs capital for your business is someone who can provide that outlet to them. So see it as a win-win. Flip the script, change your paradigm a bit about that network and what they need from you. You're not trying to dupe them into anything. You're offering them a real opportunity. Now let's talk about what specifically to look for in that network. Here's the secret. Here it is. Almost everyone in your network used to work at one place and now works at another place. It just matters that the job they used to have gave them a retirement account, okay? The 401k. And that 401k, as soon as they leave that job, however they left the job, doesn't matter. The retirement account they have is now an IRA. This retirement account can get rolled over into a self-directed IRA. All you need is an IRA custodian. Once it's in that self-directed IRA, it can be invested with you for whatever you want to do with it. Now, in my book, Raising Private Capital, I talk a lot about how to structure those loan things. It doesn't matter as much what you put them into. It matters of how you protect them with paperwork and everything like that. A lot of that's in the book, so check out the book if you guys want to hear more about how to structure those kinds of things. There are trillions, with a T, trillions of dollars in IRA accounts that are not invested in real estate or anything else. 96% of IRAs are on Wall Street. 96% of that trillions and trillions of dollars. It is all over. If you think about the people that you know that used to work here and now work here, it's a long list. There's your millions of dollars, guys. So after you watch this video, start combing through your cell phone. It could be your Uncle Charlie, whoever it is. They used to work here and are now over here. And what happens with these retirement accounts when people leave a job, the retirement accounts just gets parked over with the prior custodian that used to manage, stays with them and does what it does. And those companies just suck lots of fees out and provide mediocre growth. They don't really have any control over it. With the self-directed IRA, they have a ton of control. So your mission is to go forth and tell people, did you know that you can take your retirement account and put it in something else? And maybe that's your first conversation. Maybe it's not, hey, you should invest in my fix and flip deal. Maybe the initial conversation with anybody in your network is, hey, are you aware that job you had paid your retirement account? Did you know it doesn't have to stay there? Because who knows what the stock market's going to do tomorrow? So maybe that money could get put in something else. And that'll certainly turn into, hey, what should I do with this money? Well, here's a suggestion. Put it in my fix and flip deal. Put it in my hard money loan fund. Put it in other things that you may have. There are a few folks called disqualified parties that cannot invest their IRA with you. I'm sorry, I didn't make the rules. Probably the IRS did. A disqualified party is, in essence, if you picture like your family tree, like directly up, directly down, not your parents, not your grandparents, not your great-great-great-grandparents all the way up, and not your kids, not your grandkids, anybody directly below you in the family line or directly above you in the family line. Anybody aside from that. Your aunts, yes. Your cousins, yes. Anybody else, and These are just rules that say they can't invest their retirement account with you. It's okay for people that are disqualified with regards to upline, downline. It's okay for them to invest with you with their own cash. But anyone else that you're related to or your cousins, whatever it is, can invest with you with your retirement accounts. And off you go. So here's your homework for the video, guys. Write 15 people that come to mind that are on your money list. And then just call them and say, hey, this cool guy Matt Faircloth told me about self-directed IRAs. Do you know that job you used to have at ABC Company, that retirement account that they gave you, that retirement account could get rolled over to a self-directed IRA? You can do all kinds of cool stuff with it. You can buy bars of gold, you can lend the money out, you can invest it in businesses, you can buy real estate, as I do. So there's your homework. List of 15, then call 5 and tell them about the concept of a self-directed IRA. Leave out the pitch for now on investing with you, because they're gonna ask. If they're curious about it, they're gonna say, well, what should I do with this money? Well, funny you ask. Okay guys, guess what I got? Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and make sure you check out our DeRosa Insiders community on Facebook. We've got thousands of people that are part of that community, and we want you to be a member of DeRosa Insiders on Facebook. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great and profitable week.